Good afternoon. Today we're going to be taking a look at the X-Layout X-Turbo wrist rest here. It is a wrist rest for your keyboard and mouse with a fan. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it here, show you guys what you get. Very, very nice packaging here, very nice presentation upon opening the box here. So it looks like it just unfolds like so. I think let's see, this top piece comes out. Looks like we have some information in here. We've got an invitation for, it looks like it's just a registration card for a X-Layout membership, so very nice. And then down here on the bottom, we've got the user manual, all nicely packaged there. Let's see, is something in here? Looks like we have something else in here. Looks like it's just a little pamphlet on some of their other products right there. So very, very nice presentation. Let's see here. Looks like we've got a cable right here. And we've got a nice long USB-C cable. I like how they didn't coil it up, so it should not be too hard to get it to lay like flat on your desk. So that's pretty nice. And then right here, we've got the wrist rest itself. Alright, so we've got, I believe it goes like so. Because the vents, actually no, that's the back, because that's where the logo is. So you've got the port on the side over here. Go ahead and plug that in. It is USB-C. Very nice to see that. So USB-C. I think you can. Let's take a look here at the manual. Let's see. Alright, so it says to keep the air outlet backwards. So it looks like that is going to be like so. Alright, so you can adjust the angle of it. So if you want to, have your mouse over here or something like that, you can adjust the angle. I actually think it goes the other way, I believe, because this is so the writing is towards you, like so. Or no, okay, so it is it's movable. So you can, if you're left-handed, you can put this piece on the left side, or if you're right-handed, you can put it on the right side. So whatever works for you for the adjustment for the mouse and stuff like that. Let me grab my keyboard real quick. I'll grab my keyboard and I'm going to plug this thing in, and we'll take a look at it. Alright, so I've got my keyboard here, and very, very nice. I just tested it out a little bit. I've got it plugged in just to my USB hub over there. So you press the button for 3 seconds, and that will turn it on to low speed fan mode here, indicated by the blue light. And then if you want to turn the speed up, you can turn it up and it will be a red light. You can also do, if you press it again, the light will turn off and it will remain in high speed mode. So if you don't want the light on, you can press it again for high speed mode with the light off, and then just tap it again. That goes back to the blue light, which is low speed mode. So right there, we're just going to leave it in high speed for this, but it's very, very comfortable. And I can tell you right now that when you have the air vents pointed towards the keyboard like I do now, that it is right on your hands. Like I can feel the air right here on the curve of my hand when I'm typing. So if you're somebody who's doing a lot of typing, you get sweaty hands, stuff like that, very, very nice. It does indeed blow the air right across the keyboard, so keeps your hands cool, keep your hands comfortable right there on the keyboard. You can also turn it around if you want to, like I said, depending on what you want. So if you want the air, I guess, blowing at you, that is obviously an option, but I think the best way is right here with the vents kind of blowing the air across the keyboard. And then turn it back off. You just press and hold it for 3 more seconds, and that will turn it off regardless of whatever mode you're on. Like I said, you can adjust this either way depending on the size of your keyboard. So if your keyboard is a little bit shorter, you can kind of turn this, kind of curve it, and then you can have your hand over there like so. But this is a Logitech MX mechanical keyboard with the numpad, and it basically fits exactly perfect. So if you have a keyboard with the numpad on it, it's probably going to be just the right length. If you have a 10 keyless keyboard, it'll probably be somewhere right here, so you can kind of just turn it a little bit, have it off to the side there, and it will still fit your keyboard very well. I guess if you want to, you can also have it shifted over to the side for your mouse hand if you want to twist it over that way. So it's completely customizable in however you want to set it up. But I think this is the orientation that I will use it in the most, just because I like it when it's blowing the air right over the keyboard. When I'm doing a lot of typing and stuff like that, it keeps my hands comfortable and seems to be very, very nice. So that is the X layout right there. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.